Good morning, students. Welcome to Bindu Dhadwal chemistry lessons. Let us do some important objective type questions from the chapter Organic Compounds Containing Nitrogen. So, question number 1 is, what type of amine is trimethyl amine? So, it's a tertiary amine because nitrogen is surrounded by 3 alkyl groups. What is hybridization of nitrogen atom in amines? It's sp3 hybridized with the 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals, one of which is occupied by lone pair of electrons. What is geometrical shape of amines? So it's pyramidal. It should be tetrahedral, but because one of the sp3 hybrid orbitals are occupied with lone pair of electrons, it gets reduced to pyramidal shape. What is the IUPAC name of CH3CH2NH2? It's ethanamine. What is the IUPAC name of secondary amine having lowest molecular mass? So a secondary amine should have 2 alkyl groups. To have lowest molecular mass, the alkyl group should be the simplest one. So the IUPAC name will be N-methyl methanamine. What is common name of simplest aryl amine? It's aniline. How does solubility of amine change with increase in molar mass of amine? It decreases because the size of hydrophobic alkyl group increases. Which reaction can be used to control the reactivity of aromatic amines? As the NH2 group in aromatic amines is activating in nature, it activates the benzene ring. So we carry out acetylation or acylation to control the reactivity of aromatic amines. So reaction is acylation. Name reagent that can be used to distinguish between primary, secondary, tertiary amines. It's benzene sulfonyl chloride or Hinsberg reagent. Name a chemical used for removal of side product in acylation reaction of amines with acetyl chloride. The chemical is pyridine. What is the process of cleavage of carbon halogen bond by ammonia molecule known as? It's known as ammonolysis. Out of methylamine and dimethylamine, which will give carbile amine reaction? So carbile amine reaction is given by a primary amine, which is methylamine. When we react a primary amine with chloroform and alcoholic KOH, an isocyanide with offensive smell is produced, and the reaction is known as carbile amine reaction. Name the product formed when ethanamide is reduced with lithium aluminium hydride. It's ethylamine. Which chemical test is used to distinguish between an aromatic and aliphatic amine? So it is azo-dye test. When an aromatic amine is azotized and we reacted with 2-naphthol, an orange colored dye is formed, whereas aliphatic amine does not react. Which reaction is used for preparation of pure aliphatic primary amines? It's Carbile phthalimide reaction. Give an example of a compound that exists as bitter ion. It is sulfanylic acid. What is the color of dye formed when diazotized aniline is treated with phenyl in alkaline medium? It's orange. By which name the conversion of primary aromatic amine into diazonium salt is known as? It's known as diazotization reaction. Which type of directive influence is shown by NH2 group in aryl amines? It's orthopara-directing. Name the type of amine formed on complete reduction of cyanides. It's primary amine. Name the type of amines formed on complete reduction of isocyanides. It's secondary amine. Name the product formed when aniline reacts with benzoyl chloride. It's benzanilide. Do amines behave as electrophile or nucleophile? So answer is nucleophile because they contain a lone pair of electrons. What is the reaction between benzoyl chloride and amines known as? It's known as benzylation. Name the major product of the reaction. Benzene diazonium chloride on treatment with water will form phenol. Which nature of amine is depicted by the following? So amines react with acid to form salt. It's basic nature. Write the IUPAC name of amide which gives propanamide by Hofmann-bromamide degradation reaction. The amide will be having one carbon more, so it will be butanamide. Which amine is produced by Hofmann-bromamide degradation of benzamide? It will be aniline, one carbon less. Name the reagent that can be used for conversion of amine with chloroform to form alkyl isocyanide or carbile amine. So it's alcoholic KOH. Name the product A of the reaction. Ethyl bromide on reaction with KCN will produce propane nitrile. So that's all in today's video. If you like the video, please do share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.